If you see the check DRL system warning in your Honda Civic, it's most likely connected with the high beam lamps, high beam light bulbs, because in a lot of generations of the Civic, the high beam light was also used for the daytime running light. It used a special module that lowered the voltage for these lights, and they were just working in a fraction of their capacity. So what may happen and cause this DRL warning light? First of all, it's bad light bulb in the high beams of the Honda Civic, and secondly, this is the bad wiring in the headlight, which is pretty hard to locate, but in a car that has 15 years of age, it's not that uncommon. And thirdly, it's the bad DRL module soldering. So there is some soldering problem with these modules in several generations of the Civic, and I have seen on forums people even try to solve this problem on their own by updating the soldering in this module, so it's not something you can't do on your own. Alternatively, you may just replace this DRL module. Or one more alternative solution for this problem is to pull out the fuse that's responsible for the DRL lights. You may need a fuse map for your generation of the Civic, because these fuses were located in different places in different generations. So when you pull out the fuse, you will not see the DRL warning lights on the dash of your car, but also DRL lights will not work.